Our client this week is literally one of the sweetest people I have ever met. Anne is such a gem. She is 77 and she's been living in this house for about 30 years with her husband, but he's recently been moved to assisted care, and between trying to take care of him and the house this size, she's just decided that it's time to put her house on the market. And that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get Anne's house ready to go on the market, and we're going to make her top dollar because we are going to make her house look fabulous. Fabulous. Are you ready? Let's go. First thing that we need to work on is Anne's fireplace. It's a little bit dated feeling, it's a little bit tired, and a gun rack does tend to give buyers a little bit of a feeling that it's not terribly welcoming. Anne's dog, little sweetie pie, we put her in the master bedroom and she barked pretty much the whole time, so I apologize, there's a lot of barking in the background, but we had to get to work, and Anne was with her husband at assisted care, and I didn't know what to do with the dog. So maybe you guys can write in and tell me what you would have done if you were at their house. Next time, maybe some dog treats. Maybe, yes. But let's get ready. This fireplace needs a major makeover, and we are just the people that are up for that task. There's all kinds of stuff all over this fireplace. There are decorations and hooks, and something about a gun rack doesn't really make most people feel welcome inside the house, so we're gonna neutralize it, update it, make it look awesome, all to the tune of a very yappy dog. Let's get priming. The first thing we did was put a really good coat of Kilz primer on this brick. When I asked at the hardware store what is the best way to get a really good coat on this fireplace, they recommended unanimously we had to prime the fireplace. So that's what we did. We primed it, gave it a really good coat, and then let it dry. Are you here to help me?
Yeah.
Huh? Do you see, Mom, I already got this primed, so that way I can get it painted. Yeah, I gotta take all this stuff down too. You wanna help me do that?
Yeah, sure. I'll do it.
I don't know how to get those hooks out. Well, let's see if you turn those, if they come out. Hey, you're my demo boy. Next, we needed to take down all those pieces that were on the fireplace and patch all those holes with wood filler, and then let that dry. After we let that primer dry really good, we start to put the first coat of paint on the fireplace brick. And oh my gosh, it's so light and airy, but we also picked something that had a little bit of a taupe brownish undertone to it because these colors really warm up the space. Anne's daughter works for a builder, and so she'd already had paint for the walls, and so they'd already painted the whole house out in a really light beige color, and so I really wanted to warm the space up. After letting the fireplace brick totally dry, now it's time to get started on the mantle. This is where we brought in just a little bit more of a warmer color. Really wanted to make that space feel inviting and updated, and I still can't believe what a coat of paint will do to a fireplace. It really does make such a huge difference. The next big step with Anne's house, as I walked through, I realized, oh my gosh, she's got stuff everywhere, and it's for a good reason. A lot of people feel like they have to apologize for all their stuff everywhere, but Anne is going through her lifetime, basically, and sorting through everything, deciding what she's gonna take with her, and what needs to go to donations, what needs to be sold. It's a lot. So these cabinets just need a little bit of spiffing up, and we're gonna totally make over this kitchen. It just needs to be emptied out and given a refresh, and I think we're just the people to do it, and it will help her make top dollar on her house, and that's just what we want to do. Some of the things that we need to work on in here, we need to give these cabinets a really good coat of paint. We also need to give them new handles, and we need new lighting, because this one I can walk underneath, but most guys will probably hit their heads, and we don't want buyers to be deterred by something so simple that we can absolutely fix. So let's go. Isn't it completely amazing what a couple coats of paint and new knobs will do to a kitchen? I'm so excited for my homeowner. I think she's gonna totally flip out. I know she would love to live in this space, but she's also ready to move on. And I think that we have definitely gotten her so much closer to that. We need to finish out the space by changing out the light, and then we've got the rest of the house to stage, but boy oh boy, this project is really coming together. All right, staging day is here. You're like, oh God. Okay, I need your help getting a few big pieces of furniture out of here because amazingly, pint-sized me can't lift that much. I need to get this big one out of here. I need to move some of this up. Mom, we need to like get this place looking awesome really quick. I need the TV, this little thing to go, but that humongous one took 4 guys to get in here and we're just gonna leave it. We're just gonna leave that one and then we're gonna stage the rest of this.
Where's your TV going? Does that have to come out too? Or
She said that doesn't have to stay. All right, let's do it. Typically when we stage a home and the homeowner is still currently living in the home, we use their furnishings to stage the house because most of the time they have beautiful things that we can go ahead and use, and we just don't need to bring everything in. What we do bring in are a lot of times throws, cushions. The reason we do that is because we want to infuse life back into the space. When we stage a house, we're removing the personality of the previous owner and we're wanting to make room for the new owner to imagine themselves in the space. But when you take a lot of that personality out, it can become a little bit cold. So by bringing in throws and cushions and plants, we re-infuse life back into the space, but it's also not so personal that that next owner has trouble imagining themselves in it. In Anne's case, she had actually sold a lot of her furnishings, so it is a bit more sparsely furnished, but that's okay when you're listing your house. You don't have to have a lot in the house for people to be able to imagine themselves living inside of it. Now, just a few more things that we need to spruce up, and this house is ready for the market. Thank you so much for joining us here today. It is such a delight of our hearts to be able to share this with you. We absolutely love being a part of our clients' lives, and to get to share it with you guys is just such a fun thing for us. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, thumbs up on YouTube, and share it with your friends and get the word out to let them know that we're having fun over here and we don't want them to miss out. So don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on all the upcoming videos because there is so much cool stuff coming. I can't even tell all of it to you because I'll start getting like really excited and start hyperventilating. But this house is actually on the market. So I've got the link below. That way you can go and click through and check it out because we'd love to know what you think. And if you happen to know of anybody that is moving to the Alpharetta area, it would be so awesome if they were interested in seeing the house because we'd love to be able to show it to them. Oh my gosh, and if you happen to know of somebody in the Atlanta area that is thinking about listing their house soon or is wanting to do a makeover on their house, please tell them to reach out to us. We would love to be able to work with them. That would be awesome. Or maybe it's you. So be sure to reach out to us and let us know. Otherwise, we can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.